How to create a new TikTok account. You can easily add another account directly from the TikTok app. First, open the TikTok app. Tap Profile in the bottom right corner. Now, tap your username at the top of the profile page. From the menu, tap Add Account. Here, you'll see different options to create a new TikTok account. You can sign up using your phone number or email, or continue with Google, Facebook, or another available option. For this tutorial, select Google. Choose the Google account you want to use. Next, enter your date of birth when prompted. Make sure you enter your actual date of birth, as TikTok uses your age to determine which features are available on your account. Then, follow the remaining on-screen instructions to complete the sign-up process. Once you've finished, your new TikTok account will be ready to use. And that's how you can create a new TikTok account. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.